Hello, it's Games here and welcome to this new Unreal Engine 5 tutorial where I will show you how to cut a hole to a mesh with another mesh. So we want to cut hole to this wall with this sphere. So yeah, let's get started. So what you want to do first is you want to go to the modeling mode. Okay, and if you cannot see it there, you want to go to the plugins and you want to search for a modeling, and you have this modeling tools editor mode. You want to make it true, turn it on, and restart the editor. Okay, after that, what you want to do, I actually just want to add a simple sphere shape to here. Okay, and actually I want to make this a little bit bigger, so 2. Now, when we move this, for example, to here, and we first select this wall, then we keep the control pressed and select this another mesh, and we click on the mesh bool. Okay, now when we move this ball to the wall, you can see what happens. It will cut the same shape hole to the wall. So for example, if we put it to here and press accept, you can see we have this hole on the wall right now. So yeah, I think that was actually all for this video. If you liked what you saw, please click the like button and subscribe for more. And yeah, hope you have a great day and see you in the next one. Bye.